Okay, having problems with the fridge. Things are getting warm down here. They're not cooling down, but the freezer's still freezing. And I think these vents got clogged up. I'm going to try to defrost them with the hairdryer. A fan thing up here that needs vents to blow cold air from up here to down below. Okay, this problem could have been caused by putting too much stuff in the freezer. It was way overpacked. Anyway, couldn't find the right socket. I think it's missing. But we have a crescent wrench here. Take a little bit longer, but I think if we... it's not too bad. Undo these screws here. There's one on that side, one on the other side. Should be able to see what's going on behind this panel. Crescent wrench fits any size. Okay. I think we might be able to get that out now. Come on. I know before this was a fan behind here, and that was frosting up. You could hear the blades grinding. Okay, let's see this. Oh. Okay. I'm sure there is. Maybe it's under this. Okay, it's looking pretty frosted up in there. Okay, I guess we can. Oh, I wish I had a flashlight. I think there's a plug back there. You can unplug. Okay, it's all frosty. What's that? Okay, there's a little release here. Oh, okay, there. There's a clippy release here. And looks like some of these are damaged. Here's a fan. I can hear that hitting the ice before. Okay. Can't see anything. Lots of ice. This is all iced up here. There's something that goes to the refrigerator. Like a vent or something. Oh. Okay. So maybe I'll try to de-thaw this. That looks pretty bad. Looks like a Michigan winter, huh? Okay. Okay, so I got this vent here. Goes down to the fridge. Supposed to take the air down there. Looks like it's got a bunch of ice and stuff in there. Okay, so of course the great thing is when you defrost this and you start pushing that ice down through, it starts, all the water just starts coming out down here. Nothing but fun times. Look, ice coming down here. There we go. notice this loose plug in here, and there's a plug here, so maybe this was the issue. Maybe this has something to do with the defroster. This plug came unplugged. It should be plugged back into that thing. So I didn't unplug it. Anyway. Okay, it looks like it's pretty much defrosted. So maybe I'll try to plug her back in and see if the thing starts cooling down the fridge. This thing back in place temporarily. I guess you gotta line it up with that. So the vent at the bottom, it's gotta be lined up. Come on. See? This goes into that hole down there. Try that. Oh, we gotta plug the plugs back in. Plug this one back in too. This side one over here. That one was actually unplugged for some reason. This one plugs up here. Let's try that and see how that works. Here, let's plug this guy back in. Okay. So the fan's on. Let's try running it for a while. See the the compressor started back up. Okay, so let's see how that works. Close the doors and test this thing out. Okay, it's been running for a while, and now things seem to be cool in here. So we'll see if it continues to stay cool or not. So that might have fixed the problem, hopefully. Okay.